Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to delete your stash account. To delete your stash account, first make sure your account is ready to close by selling all investment, turning off auto invest, and withdrawing any remaining funds to a linked external bank account. For retiring account, cash out your holdings and transfer the money. Keep in mind early withdrawal may comes with IRS penalties, which is the custodian, and a banking account requires contact stash support directly. So once your balance are $0 and transactions have settled, you can proceed to cancel your subscription. So to cancel your subscription, open the stash app or log into your stash account. You can also log into the website, then go to the account settings, tap on subscription, then select manage and scroll down to choose close my stash for good. Then follow the prompt to confirm it. So if you need help, you can also call the stash support through 800-205-5164, or as well you can email them at support@stash.com, and refund for any of unused subscription times may be proceed based on any billing period, and that's it.